For homeowners seeking a stronger first impression, replacement windows that complement entry door design can transform the entire facade of a home in Lafayette. Whether the goal is premium window upgrades for residential entry areas or custom window replacement for residential entryway upgrades, the right selections create balance, symmetry, and curb appeal. Many property owners in Lafayette, Louisiana want modern window replacement solutions for residential entry doors that match siding, shutters, and trim while also improving natural light. From picture window replacement for front facade upgrades to bay window replacement for residential curb appeal, the best results come from planning each opening as part of a unified exterior design, especially when paired with asterisk entry doors. Lafayette asterisk homeowners choose to enhance the overall appearance of their homes. Energy performance matters just as much as appearance when comparing residential window replacement services for entry doors. Lafayette homeowners increasingly look for energy-efficient residential window replacement for front entry doors, insulated window replacement for better indoor comfort, and energy-efficient replacement windows. Lafayette, Louisiana to reduce utility costs throughout the year. In humid Acadiana conditions, double pane window replacement for homes with entry door installation can help stabilize indoor temperatures while improving efficiency. For families prioritizing long-term savings, window and entry door replacement for improved home efficiency delivers measurable value, especially when paired with weather-resistant replacement windows. Lafayette, Louisiana and insulated home windows near Lafayette, Louisiana. Older homes often require a more specialized approach, especially when the project involves window replacement for older homes and entry doors. Traditional properties in Lafayette Parish may benefit from wood frame window replacement for traditional entry homes, while renovated residences may need full frame window replacement for residential properties to correct deterioration around the opening. Home window replacement experts for entry door projects can evaluate framing conditions, moisture damage, and structural needs before recommending the right solution. For homeowners in historic neighborhoods or near downtown Lafayette, house window replacement services near downtown Lafayette should preserve architectural character while delivering better performance and durability. Many renovation projects also include asterisk entry doors. Lafayette asterisk upgrades to create a cohesive appearance while maintaining the home's original charm. Noise control is a major concern for families living near busy corridors, schools, or commercial areas around Lafayette. Sound-reducing window replacement for homes near busy streets can dramatically improve interior quiet, especially when combined with residential glass window replacement for door-adjacent windows and double-pane window replacement. Lafayette Parish homeowners looking for residential glass replacement near Lafayette, Louisiana often want a solution that reduces outside noise without sacrificing visibility or style. In these cases, residential casement window replacement services and awning window replacement for entryway ventilation can provide practical airflow while maintaining a quieter, more comfortable living space. Curb appeal window upgrades in Lafayette Parish are especially effective when front entry windows are paired with a fresh door design. Front entry window replacement in Lafayette, Louisiana can brighten the foyer, frame the doorway, and create a more welcoming entrance from the street. Many homeowners search for entry door window upgrades in Lafayette Parish, replacement windows and doors in Lafayette Parish, and window installation for residential properties in Lafayette, Louisiana when they want one contractor to manage the whole project. For a polished result, residential window installers for entryways should align window proportions, grille patterns, and frame finishes with the entry door to create a cohesive look that boosts property value. Local homeowners often want options that are practical, attractive, and easy to maintain. Low-maintenance window replacement for family homes is a smart choice for busy households that want lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Vinyl window replacement for residential curb appeal improvements and vinyl replacement windows in Lafayette, Louisiana are popular because they resist moisture, reduce maintenance, and come in styles that suit both modern and traditional homes. For buyers comparing affordable window replacement for homeowners with premium upgrades, the best value often comes from durable materials, professional installation, and designs that complement residential entry areas without adding unnecessary upkeep. Storm protection is another key reason residents invest in new windows around entry doors. Lafayette Storm-resistant residential window replacement for front entrances and storm window replacement for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana can help protect against wind-driven rain and sudden weather shifts common in South Louisiana. Homeowners looking for weather-resistant replacement windows Lafayette, Louisiana often pair those upgrades with front entry window replacement or custom replacement windows near Lafayette, LA homes to strengthen vulnerable openings. These improvements are especially important for properties exposed to open yards, corner lots, or frequent weather changes across Lafayette Parish and the greater Acadiana region. The best projects start with a thoughtful evaluation, which is why a home window replacement consultation for entry door projects is so valuable. Professional residential window installers for entryways can assess frame depth, existing trim, energy loss, and design goals before recommending the right products. Whether the job calls for custom house windows for Lafayette, Louisiana homeowners, residential window installers in Lafayette Parish, or local residential window replacement Lafayette area service, a tailored plan ensures better results. Homeowners often ask for affordable home window replacement in Lafayette, Louisiana, but the smartest investment is usually the one that combines quality materials, skilled installation, and long-term efficiency. For homeowners comparing styles, modern window replacement solutions for residential entry doors and residential casement window replacement services offer versatility across different home types. Some properties benefit from expansive picture window replacement for front facade upgrades, while others need awning window replacement for entryway ventilation to improve airflow near the front entry. If the home features a more classic aesthetic, wood frame window replacement for traditional entry homes can preserve character while upgrading performance. In growing neighborhoods throughout Lafayette, Louisiana, custom replacement windows near Lafayette, LA homes are often selected to fit unique openings and elevate the front elevation. Residents who want dependable guidance often search for the best window replacement company in Lafayette, Louisiana because quality installation matters as much as product selection. Experienced window replacement contractors in Acadiana can help with new replacement windows for houses in Lafayette Parish, residential window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana, and entry door and window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana projects that require coordinated planning. Whether the priority is energy savings window replacement in Acadiana, professional home window replacement near Lafayette, Louisiana, or residential window replacement for front entry doors, the right contractor can deliver a cleaner, tighter, more attractive finish that improves comfort, efficiency, and long-term home value. For homeowners seeking entry doors Lafayette Solutions, residential window replacement services for entry doors Lafayette can transform both curb appeal and everyday comfort. The best window replacement company in Lafayette, Louisiana typically offers a home window replacement consultation for entry door projects, helping you choose replacement windows that complement entry door design, improve natural light, and support a more polished front facade. From custom window replacement for residential entryway upgrades to premium window upgrades for residential entry areas, the right plan can align style, performance, and long-term value. Energy-efficient residential window replacement for front entry doors is a strong choice for Louisiana homes that need better indoor comfort and lower utility costs. Many local residential window replacement Lafayette area specialists recommend double pane window replacement for homes with entry door installation, insulated window replacement for better indoor comfort, and energy-efficient replacement windows Lafayette, Louisiana to help reduce heat transfer. For homeowners in Acadiana, energy savings window replacement in Acadiana can be paired with replacement windows and doors in Lafayette Parish to create a more efficient envelope around the home. Modern window replacement solutions for residential entry doors are especially useful for homeowners balancing style and durability. Vinyl replacement windows in Lafayette, Louisiana are popular for low-maintenance window replacement for family homes, while wood frame window replacement for traditional entry homes remains a preferred option for classic architecture. If you want a stronger finish, full-frame window replacement for residential properties can improve fit, function, and performance, especially when paired with professional residential window installers for entryways and window installation for residential properties in Lafayette, Louisiana. Homes near traffic corridors benefit from sound-reducing window replacement for homes near busy streets and storm-resistant residential window replacement for front entrances. In storm-prone areas, weather-resistant replacement windows Lafayette, Louisiana and storm window replacement for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana can add another layer of protection. Local homeowners looking for residential glass window replacement for door-adjacent windows often choose custom replacement windows near Lafayette, LA homes to improve both safety and peace of mind without sacrificing style. In neighborhoods across Lafayette Parish, front entry window replacement in Lafayette, Louisiana and entry door window upgrades in Lafayette Parish can dramatically improve the look of older homes. Whether you need house window replacement services near downtown Lafayette or professional home window replacement near Lafayette, Louisiana, the right contractor can deliver residential casement window replacement services, awning window replacement for entryway ventilation, picture window replacement for front facade upgrades, and bay window replacement for residential curb appeal. For homeowners comparing affordable window replacement for homeowners, residential window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana, and custom house windows for Louisiana homeowners, the best path is often a tailored blend of curb appeal window upgrades in Lafayette Parish, sound performance, and energy-efficient design. Many homeowners complete these projects by selecting entry doors Lafayette professionals recommend, creating a coordinated exterior upgrade that enhances beauty, efficiency, and long-term property value.